Learn how to install bathroom wall porcelain tiles using advanced professional tools and modern tiling techniques in this complete step-by-step tutorial. In this video, we show the full process of preparing the bathroom wall, measuring and marking tile lines, applying tile adhesive correctly, cutting porcelain tiles with precision tools, and installing large porcelain wall tiles for a clean and luxurious finish. Whether you are a beginner, professional tile installer, construction worker, or home renovation enthusiast, this tutorial will help you understand the correct methods used in modern bathroom tiling projects. Watch the entire installation process from start to finish, including surface preparation, leveling techniques, waterproof wall preparation, tile spacing, alignment tips, corner finishing, and grout line accuracy. We also demonstrate how advanced tile installation tools improve speed, precision, and overall tile quality. Using the right equipment can make bathroom wall porcelain installation easier, cleaner, and more durable for long-lasting results. This bathroom renovation tutorial focuses on professional craftsmanship and practical techniques used by experienced tile installers. You will see how to achieve straight tile lines, smooth edges, strong tile adhesion, and a modern bathroom wall design using porcelain tiles. The video also includes useful tips for reducing installation mistakes, improving tile alignment, and creating a high-end bathroom appearance. Porcelain wall tiles are one of the best choices for bathrooms because they are durable, water-resistant, easy to clean, and stylish. In this tutorial, we explain how to handle porcelain tiles carefully, how to cut them accurately around corners and pipes, and how to create a perfect wall finish with modern construction tools. The techniques shown in this video are suitable for bathroom remodeling projects, luxury home construction, modern interior design, and professional tiling work. If you enjoy construction videos, bathroom renovation ideas, tile installation tutorials, and professional craftsmanship content, this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more professional tiling tutorials, porcelain installation guides, cement work videos, flooring projects, wall finishing techniques, and modern construction methods.
Water is rising over me. Water is rising now.